Hello friends! Today we're talking about saffron-based Ayurvedic remedies for children, which can help relieve colds, headaches, diarrhea, and intestinal worms. For brain and eye health, mixing sandalwood and saffron and applying it on the forehead provides coolness, calmness, and energy to the head, eyes, and brain. It also helps stop nosebleeds and relieves headaches. For infant colds, if an infant has a cold, grind 1 to 2 strands of saffron well with 2 to 4 drops of milk. Mix it into 1 teaspoon of milk and give it morning and evening. At night, apply a paste made of saffron, nutmeg, and clove on the forehead, nose, chest, and back. For deworming, intestinal worms, take equal amounts of saffron and camphor, grind them together, add 2 to 4 drops of milk, and give it to the child for 2 to 3 days. For diarrhea, loose stools, in case of frequent loose stools, grind 1 to 2 strands of saffron with 2 to 3 drops of water. Then mix in nutmeg, mango seed kernel, dry ginger, and sweet flag, calamus, in equal amounts, ground with water. Give this mixture in 1 teaspoon of water, morning and evening. These simple remedies help children feel better and regain energy in a natural way. If you'd like more Ayurvedic tips like these, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.